Hi guys, my name is Justin Lake. Sorry I'm a couple days late with this recording. I am seeking this degree because I would love to be an athletic director, assistant principal at a high school. I'm also seeking this degree so I can better provide for my family and my new little guy over here, if you can see him. Sorry if he makes any noise during this video. I am qualified to be an athletic director because this is my 10th year coaching varsity football. I've coached varsity basketball. I've also coached varsity throwers for track and field, and I've also coached middle school throwers for track and field. So I've been around sports my whole life. I'm the head weights coach where I'm at now. I teach PE as well. And I'd really love to be an athletic director and kind of oversee an entire athletic program. And I'm looking forward to learning with the rest of you for the remainder of this course.